What's up, friends? Today I'm sharing with you a dessert recipe that's simple, quick, and easy to prepare. This dessert has irresistible layers of balanced sweetness of cream and tangy flavors of peach. That's right, it is a peach graham cake. You only need 4 ingredients and there's no need to bake or cook this recipe. First thing that you need is 460 grams of peach. Feel free to substitute the peaches with mangoes. Take 2 peach halves and cut it into tiny pieces. Slice the rest of the peaches into thin slices, but not too thin though. Get a bowl and aerate 250 grams of all-purpose cream. Then add half cup of condensed milk. Mix well, then add diced peaches. Mix well, then get a container to layer the graham crackers. Then, pour our mixture over the grahams. Then top it off with peaches. Repeat the process and create up to 3 layers. It's so simple, right? Yum! Another craving satisfied. What other cravings do you have? Let me know in the comment section below so we can make it in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.